Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Dudu Mendez Tips, the home of powerful WhatsApp bots, crazy tech tutorials, and smart tools that level up your experience. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, drop a like on this video, and comment down below, because today's tutorial is going to be fire. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to deploy the powerful BILAL King bugbot, the Crash King itself, developed by BILAL. And trust me, this bot is absolutely amazing. We're talking about advanced WhatsApp attack features, invisible bug commands, bulldozer, bug, group bug attack commands, and many more powerful features. This bot is smooth, fast, and beginner-friendly. So don't skip any part of this video. Follow me carefully, step by step. And by the end of this tutorial, your bot will be fully deployed and ready to use. Now, the first thing you need to do is open the bot link. I've placed the link in the video description below. Go down there, click the link, and let's get started.
Yeah, turn the bass up. If they talking, let them talk. We still sticking at the top. Winning, but they disappear when the lights stop here. Claim they got power, claim they got fame, but every time we show up they ain't sounding the same. I built this from nothing, I came from the floor. Now every single move got them watching for more. They copy the style, they copy the wave, then act surprised when the numbers don't raise. I don't need luck, I don't need favors. Build my own lane, now they study the papers. Talking real loud, but the work ain't there. How you call yourself king when nobody cares? They keep talking, we keep winning. They keep hating, we keep living, yeah. Can't touch us. Jumping, going under. Touch us! Can't touch us! Light so heavy, shake the city. Too much sauce, too much energy. No para, no para. Nos llegamos juntos, agora. Mais forte, mais forte. Ninguém consegue nos parar. But they never offend me. Every setback made me stronger than before. Now I'm kicking every obstacle straight through the door. Built for the pressure, built for the fight, built for the days when nobody believed I might. Now the whole scene wanna know my name, but they running around when I carry the pain. You can bring 10, you can bring 20, still got enough confidence left in me. This ain't arrogance, this is proof. Every single bar got a hole in the roof. Hands up, lights down, bass up, whole crowd. Hands up, lights down, bass up, whole crowd. Can't touch us. Nervous, every win got a purpose. Touch us. Can't touch us. We don't follow, we lead the way. We came to dominate today. No para, no para. Nós chegamos no topo agora. Mais forte, mais forte. Ninguém consegue nos parar. bass up. If they talking, let them talk. We still singing at the top. Winning, but they disappear when the lights stop hitting. Claim they got power, claim they got fame, but every time we show up they ain't sounding the same. I built this from nothing, I came from the floor. Now every single move got them watching for more. They copy the style, they copy the wave, then act surprised when the numbers don't raise. I don't need luck, I don't need favors. Build my own lane, now they study the papers. Talking real loud, but the work ain't there. How you call yourself king when nobody cares? They keep talking, we keep winning. They keep hating, we keep living, yeah. Big touch.
And boom, just like that. Your Bilal King bugbot is now successfully deployed. Easy, fast, and powerful. If this tutorial helped you, make sure you destroy that like button, drop a comment below, and tell me how your deployment went. And if you still haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to Dudu Mendez Tips right now, because more crazy bot tutorials, more powerful tools, and more tech content are coming very soon. And before you leave, don't forget to join my WhatsApp channel. That's where I post new bot updates, exclusive links, important announcements, and early access content before everyone else. The link to join is in the description below. Join the family, stay updated, and stay ahead of everyone. This is Dudu Mendez Tips, where tech becomes power. I'll catch you in the next video. Stay smart, stay active, and peace out.